advent calendar season, hence why I bring you to my living room. So I'm so excited to unbox the P. Louise 2025 advent calendar. I'm going to do 5 at a time so it doesn't get too overwhelming. You're really in the way. Number 1. Okay, so in number 1 you've got a full skincare set. Is this the mini size? Is this mini? If this is mini, then that's perfect because for travel, I have been hoping that she brings out a mini skincare range. Box number 2. Yeah! These come in handy for me. I always gotta smell new stuff. Day 3. Hot toddy? What is that? What's a hot toddy? What's a hot toddy, Manoli? Oh, it smells so familiar. Box number 4. I'm up for this. I freaking love lip liners. Cute. So box number 4, you get 3 lip liners. What is this? Like a little bag. This is so cute. I can't wait to put this under my Christmas tree as well, like when it's fully unboxed. She's really gone all out this year. It's sensational. Say what you want about the bitch, but she makes an advent. Okay, and then in number 5, we have, this is like the strawberries and cream frosting smell. She's come out with a body lotion in this, and that sent me over the edge. It's so beautiful. Box number 6. Makeup! I wasn't expecting makeup, I don't know why. Eyeshadow palette. Cute! Everyone's gonna be able to use that, I'm obsessed. Number 7. Oh, absolutely. And it's a mini again. When I say mini, these are not mini. It's the size of my head still, but her other products are just massive. Oh my days. Micellar water in the scent Hot Toddy and some pads as well. If you've never used this micellar water before, one of my favourites. It squirts out the top. Number 8. Oh, absolutely. Loose pigment set. See what sort of colours. I'm hoping for like golds. Yes. She always understands the assignments. I can't wait to use these. Box number 9. Bowman body wash in the scent Berry Blossom. Oh my days. I feel like she's stopped doing like pineapple and apple. I feel like she's really gone into like more vanilla, sandalwood, pistachio vibes, and this is stunning. Box number 10. Giddy up, jingle hop. Oh! A brush set. Full brush set. These brushes look insane. Love a slanted brush like this. I love the smell of new brushes. This might have to be a 2-part thing, so go to part 2.